Now question number 4, it is a simple geometry problem. It says let ABCD be a parallelogram and let O be a point on its interior such that angle AOB plus angle DOC is 180. We need to show that angle ODC is equal to angle OBC. So first we'll draw this parallelogram. So suppose this is A, B, C and D, and then we have any point O, and then we'll join these points. So this is AO, OB, OC and OD. Now it says this angle AOB plus angle DOC, it is 180 degrees. So suppose this is angle 1 and this is angle 2, and we need to show that angle ODC, which is this angle, it is equal to angle OBC. So it should be equal to this other angle. And this question, what we'll do is we'll do some construction. So this line, it is parallel to OD, and then from B we'll draw a line which is parallel to OC. So they intersect at this point P, and this OP, it is parallel to BC. So we look at this quadrilateral OAPB. Now this angle ODC, which is this angle, it is equal to this angle which is PAB. And in the same way, this angle which is OCD is same as angle PBA. So if this is equal to angle D and it is equal to angle C, then this P is actually equal to this angle which is 2. So we have this quadrilateral in which sum of opposite angles is 180 degrees. So it simply means this quadrilateral APBO is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now we have established that this AOBP is a cyclic quadrilateral. Now in this cyclic quadrilateral, we know that these two lines, they are parallel. So these are alternate angles. So this angle, it is equal to this angle. So say this is angle 3. So this is angle 3 and this is also angle 3. We have already established that this angle is equal to this angle. Now in a cyclic quadrilateral, angle in the same segment, they are equal. So from here we can say this angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Now angle 3 is angle OBC and this angle 4 is angle ODC. So from here we can say that these two angles, they are equal.